Milá Natálka, milý Janko, rád by som vás všetkých čo najsrdečnejšie privítal na tejto svadobnej hostine.
I know a man with nothing in his hands, nothing but a rolling stone. He told me about when his house burned down and he lost everything he owned. He lay asleep for 6 whole weeks. They were gonna ask his mother to choose. When he woke up with nothing, he said, "I'll tell you something. When you're nothing, you've got nothing to lose." Now I got a hole in my pocket, a hole in my shirt, all of the trouble, he said. But now the money's gone, life carries on, and I miss it like a hole in the head. Oh, oh. I know a woman with kids around her ankles and a baby on her lap. She said one day her husband went to get a paper and the never came back. Mortgage to pay and 4 kids to raise, keeping the world from the door. She said the world's just a puppy and the door's double locked, so why you gotta worry me for? Cause he left a hole in my heart, hole in a promise, a hole on the side of my bed. Oh, but now that he's gone, well, life carries on, and I miss him like a hole in the head. Sometimes you can't change and you can't choose.
Nie je to tak dávno, čo sme vyslali nášho Janka na štúdia do ďalekého Brna. No ako štandard sme očakávali, že nám prinesie po 5 rokoch vysokoškolský diplom. No ale jemu akože štandard nestačí, on nám priniesol pekný bonus navyše. Po 3 rokoch nám prišiel predstaviť svoju priateľku, veľmi milú, peknú Natálku. No a po skončení štúdia nám pribalil k dátumu promócií taktiež termín tejto svadby.
Now we've got holes in our hearts. Yeah, we've got holes in our lives. Well, we've got holes, but we carry on.
No ale my rodičia sa môžeme len tešiť.
Yeah, we've got holes in our hearts. Yeah, we've got holes in our lives. Well, we've got holes, but we carry on. Yeah, we got holes in our hearts. Yeah, we got holes in our lives. Well, we got holes, but we carry on. Yeah, we got holes in our hearts. We got holes in our lives. We got holes, but we carry on. Yeah, we got holes in our hearts. We got holes in our lives. We got holes, but we carry on. Now we got holes in our hearts. Yeah, we've got holes in our lives.
Ja by som na záver tohto príhovoru chcel popriať veľmi veľa šťastia, veľa lásky, detí, pretože manželstvo to nie je len spoločná cesta životom, ale aj spoločný zápas so životom.
Well, we've got holes, but we carry on.